Hi everyone. You've been asking about driving in the snow, especially in automatic, because auto seems to get a bit of a kicking in the snow, thinking it's more difficult or it doesn't drive as good in the snow as a manual. But there isn't much difference. The main thing is just being gentle with the controls. So as you can see, I'm parked on a bit of a hill here, and I'm going to drive out the street basically. So putting the car into drive, handbrake off. So I'm going to take the handbrake off manually in the Golf, which is foot on the brake, push the handbrake button down, and then we're going to pull away. As we pull away, we're just going to come off the brake, and the car will actually just crawl away by itself up the hill. So away we go. Driving in the snow, off the brake, no gas, and the car's just pulling itself up the hill. Now that we've got a little bit of momentum, we can give the car a little bit of gas, ever so gently. So now doing about 3-4 miles an hour. Nice and gentle with the steering. The steering will feel really light as well because of the snow. It's nice and slippy underneath. If we do need to stop, so I'm going to stop just here, we come off the gas. The car will bring itself down 2 miles an hour, gentle on the brakes, and stop. You move off again, off the brakes, making sure obviously we're doing our 6-point checks. Don't forget those safety checks. Off we go. You can see in the little window I've done a dual camera on this one, so you can see that we haven't gone over 3 or 4 miles an hour. And that's it, we're out. Centre mirror left signal. As we're driving around on these normal roads, we can see the roads are white underneath. And that's just off the salt. Doesn't look like the icy or slippy, but the temperature is currently -1. So we've still got to be really cautious because there could be patches of black ice underneath, for puddles on bends, that kind of stuff. So we're still going to drive really, really cautiously. So that's a little idea on how to drive in the snow. Driving downhill in the snow, taking the next junction. So driving down a hill in the snow is a little bit different. Again, we just let the car control. So we're going to come off the gas and let the car just creep. If we need to slow down, we are ever so gentle on those brakes, not pushing them too hard, because if we push them too hard the wheels could lock up. If the wheels do lock up, the ABS should kick in to help us. If not, we can just come off the brakes and back on. Our steering goes really, really light on the snow and the ice because it's slippy. Reversing again, I'll just come off the brakes, the car moves itself. This is a perfect example here as we drive back up this hill. Look how slippy that is. It's just ice. So it's letting the car pull itself along in drive. Guys, I hope this helps. Hope this gives you a good idea. Any questions, please ask. Make a comment below. Any of the videos, again, just leave a comment below. Hope you're all well and staying safe. See you all soon. Take care.